Hello friends, myself Atul, and today in this video I'm gonna show you some of the tricks that you don't know. So after receiving Pi update on your OnePlus 5T, so let's see what are the some interesting and amazing features that you don't know in your OnePlus 5T. So we'll see these tricks one by one, so you will know how to use them and where to get them. So let's start. So let's see what is the first trick. So first trick is lockdown option. Yes, the lockdown option is present on your OnePlus 5T and it is hidden. So what is lockdown option? Face unlock and fingerprint unlocking will be disabled if you enable this lockdown option. So all you have to do is we have to go to settings and then security and lock screen, and then you can see lock screen preferences. You have to click on it and then you have to enable this option, show lockdown option. So you have to enable it, and after doing that you have to long press on your power button, and then you will see this lockdown option. You can see over here lockdown option, and you will use this lockdown option. So now my phone is locked down, so I am not able to unlock my screen by using fingerprint or face unlock. I can only unlock my phone by using pin unlock or password method. So the next feature is accessibility option. So now accessibility option is very good in Pi update. So what you have to do, if you go to system on your OnePlus 5T, you can see system over here, and then you have to go to accessibility. You can see, and then you have to enable this accessibility menu. So once you enable this, say OK, and you will get some icon over here, but right now it is not over here. So all you have to do is go to your gesture button and gesture and enable soft keys. So you have to enable this back home recent, and then you can see over here it is an icon of something like a man standing, and you have to press this. So see, you can get this option very quickly. So whatever the option we use often will be here right on your screen by tapping only once. So you can get assistant, power off, volume, recent tabs, lock screen, screenshot, notifications and quick settings. So you can get all of this over here by only tapping once on this icon. And now let's see what is the third feature that you should know on your OnePlus 5T. So when you go to Chrome and when you're browsing, and if you think that if you want to see this on landscape mode, so you can do this by auto rotate screen. But if you rotate your screen, it will go in landscape. But if you rotate vertically, it won't be in landscape. If you have to lock landscape mode, so how will you do it? So there is a simple feature over here. So you don't have to do anything. Just disable this. You don't have to do anything. But when you rotate your screen on Chrome browser, you will see a small icon over here. You can see over here. So you have to press on it, and now the screen will be in landscape mode, and it will always be in landscape mode. Even if you will turn your phone, but it won't go in portrait mode. So it will always be in landscape mode. So it is very good feature. If you want to lock your screen in landscape mode, you have to use this feature. So, and the next feature is drag and drop. Suppose if I want to copy and paste this text over here in search box, so you don't have to copy and then paste. All you have to do is select whichever text you want to drag over here, and then just long press it, and you can see text under my finger, and you have to put it over here. See, the text has been pasted over here. You don't have to click on copy and then paste. All you have to do is drag this text over here. You can drag and drop the text like you do on your PC, like that, and it is very easy to use. You can also see a magnifying glass whenever you highlighted the text, whenever you select the text. See, you can see magnifying glass over here. You can see it is showing you as a magnifying glass. You can see the letters bigger, and it is very easy and it is very cool feature. you can see everything on this magnifying glass, so you will know what are the text that has been selecting. So you can use it like that after dragging over the text. Suppose you are getting so many notifications and you don't know what are the apps that has been sending so many notifications on your smartphone. So all you have to do is go to settings and then apps and notification. You will see option over there, notification. You have to click on it and you will see some of the apps that has been sending you notification recently, and you can see all from last 7 days from over here. You can arrange them in most recent or most frequent. So if you will see most frequent, you can see what are the apps that are sending so many notification, and you can disable them so they won't show any notification in future. And now a big thing you will notice after updating your OnePlus 5T, that volume rocker. So whenever you press volume button, you will see this small widget over here by pressing volume key. So you can see this is only for media output. It is not for ringer volume. So you have to press on gear icon to go to ring volume. But it is not as convenient as earlier. But let me tell you that this feature is very useful because we have got this slider over here. So we have to use it. All you have to do is slide up to vibrate, and then again slide up to silent, and then put it down and put it down. So yeah, it will be on ring. So you can do this. You can change your profile mode by slider. So it is good thing. But yeah, if you press on volume button, you will see default for the media output over here. But I noticed one thing. If you go to alarm, see, now I am changing the volume. It will show alarm volume and media volume. So this is the thing you should notice, you should know about your OnePlus 5T and this volume button.